Hello my dear students, welcome to Biology at Priyajit. Today we dive into the unique and fascinating world of Phylum Echinodermata, a group of exclusively marine animals that beautifully bridge simplicity and specialization. In this class, we will explore the general characteristics of Echinodermata in a clear and easy manner and then move on to the schematic classification up to their class level with proper examples and exam relevance. So stay focused and let's make Epidermata simple, logical and absolutely exam friendly. Characteristics and classification of Echinodermata. Echinos means spiny and derma means skin. So they are exclusively marine, live in bottom of the aquatic bodies. Their body is spherical, elongated or star-shaped. Their organ system of organization is found. They are triploblastic, they are enterocoelic coelom. They are radially symmetrical, but often they are pentamerous. Calcareous endoskeleton. They are covered with calcareous spicules. They contain water vascular system or ambulacral system through which circulation of and nutrients, gaseous exchange and waste elimination takes place. They have tube feet for locomotion and it also help in their respiration and food capturing. They have open type of blood vascular system with 5 radiating vessels, heart absent and there is no respiratory pigment. Their respiration is performed by dermal bronchi or papilla which is found in starfish. They have genital bursa such as brittle star. They are peristomial gills such as sea urchin. They have cloacal respiratory tree or Holothuroidea. They have complete alimentary canal and which is absent in brittle star. They have no brain and nerve ring. They have radial nerve cord which makes their nervous system. They have poorly developed sense organ. Their sexes are separate but external fertilization, but in some their indirect development they show larval form ciliates, bilateral symmetrical. Examples include Bipinnaria, Ophiuroidea, Toluidea, Pluteus, etc. Their excretory organ is absent and they show high degree of regeneration. So, according to Rupert Barnes, you can say that phylum Echinodermata can be divided into 4 subphylum: Homolozoa, Crinozoa, Asterozoa and Echinozoa. So subphylum Homolozoa has no further classes and subphylum Crinozoa can be divided into 4 classes: Crinoidea and Cystidia, Blastoidea and Crinoidea. Subphylum Asterozoa has 3 classes such as Asteroidea, Ophiuroidea and concentric cycloidea. Subphylum Echinozoa has 2 classes, Echinoidea and Holothuroidea. Subphylum Homolozoa, which are extinct, they are basically extinct. They are irregular and paleozoic forms. They are also known as carpoids. Example include Enoplura. Subphylum Crinozoa, they are radially symmetrical body with a globoid or cup-shaped theca and branchioles or arms. They are mostly attached with oral surface directed upwards. It contains both mouth and anus. The cup-shaped aboral side is called calyx. Their madreporite is absent. So subphylum Crinozoa can be divided into 4 classes: Eocrinoidea, Cystidia, Blastoidea and Crinoidea. Class Eocrinoidea, these are oldest extinct crinoids. They are stalked or stalkless with an enclosed theca. The oral surface has 5 ambulacral and 5 to many brachioles. Examples include mimocystites. Their class Cystidia, they are extinct. Echinoderms having vase-shaped body remain fixed with substratum and the theca consists of many rigid porous polygonal plates. Their brachioles are devoid of pinnules, a part or organ like a small wing or fin, especially a side branch on the arm of a crinozoa. Example includes Cystoblastus, Proteroblastus and Asteroblastus. Class Blastoidea, they are extinct, pentamerous, radially symmetrical and their theca consisting of 13 plates in 3 rows. They are mostly fixed, attached with the substratum directly or through short stalk. Their ambulacra are 5 in number and petaloid. They have characteristic respiratory structures called hydrospires. Class Crinoidea, they are stalked and free moving forms. The oral side of the body is directed upwards. Body showing pentamerous symmetry. Their arms are well developed, branched and having pinnules. The ambulacral grooves radiate from the mouth and extend to the tip of the pinnules. They have madreporoid, spines and pedicellary are absent. They have barrel-shaped free-swimming doliolaria larva which is present with ciliated bands. Examples include Forbaciochrinus, Xenocrinus, Technocrinus, etc. Subphylum Asterozoa, they are free-living, radially symmetrical body and they are composed of a flattened disc and radially arranged arms. Their body is star-shaped and remain unattached. Their anus is placed aborally. On the oral surface in the ambulacral group, tube feet are present. So subphylum Asterozoa has three classes: Asteroidea, Ophiuroidea and concentric cycloidea. So class Asteroidea, it is Greek star-like, star-shaped body, which arms are not sharply set off from the central disc. Their ambulacral groups are open and a large coelomic cavity is present in their arms. And each ambulacral groups of their body contain 2 or 4 rows of tube feet, and their tube feet are present, which are locomotory organ, are present there with or without suckers. Their anus and madreporoid are present on the aboral surface. So examples include uh, Platysterids, Ludia, Astropecten, Tinodiscus, Asterina, Arcaster, Echinaster, Solarster, etc. Class Ophiuroidea, their arms are simply set off from the central disc. Their absence of ambulacral groove and the arms are filled by vertebral ossicles. There is no spacious prolongations of the coelom into the arms. Their mouth and madreporoid are situated on the oral surface of the body, but anus is absent. Example: Ophiocanops, Asteronix, Ophiomyxa, Amphura, Ophioderma. Class Concentric Cycloidea, they are minute with disc-shaped body. Their body is covered by aborally with plate-like ossicles. Their marginal spines are located around the periphery. Their water vascular system has two ring canals with the tube feet arising from the outer one. So examples include xyloplax. Subphylum Echinozoa, they are radially symmetrical. Their globoid or discoid body without arms or branchioles are attached. Their madreporoid and anus remain on the aboral side. Mouth is present on the oral side. So the subphylum Echinozoa has two classes, Echinoidea and Holothuroidea. Echinoidea, their body is more or less spherical, flattened orally and aborally. Ossicles are fused to form an internal test on which movable spines are mounted. Although the ambulacral grooves are present, the body surface is divided into alternate ambulacral and interambulacral areas. The ambulacral areas extend from the oral to the aboral sides of the body. Their ambulacral plates have pores for the passage of the tube feet and it possesses suckers. So Sidaris, Eusidaris, Echinus, Arbacea, Clypester, Diadema, Melita, Rotula, these are the examples. Class Holothuroidea, their body is elongated along the oral and aboral axis. The surface of the body may exhibit 5 ambulacral areas. Their mouth and anus present at opposite extremities of the body. Their oral podia is modified as tentacles, which may be simple or dendritic and may or may not be provided with ampulla. Their skeleton is reduced to microscopic ossicles. Their larva is auricularia. Example include Cucumeria, Thion, Holothuroidea, Actinipiga, Deima, Elpidia, Malpedia, Cordina, etc. So thank you my dear students for joining this class. Today we explored Phylum Echinodermata, a unique group of exclusively marine animals characterized by pentaradial symmetry, spiny endoskeleton, true coelom and the remarkable water vascular system. We also understood their general characteristics and systematic classification up to class level, which helps clarify the structural organization and evolutionary position of this phylum among non-chordates. So I hope this session made the concepts clear, logical and exam ready for UG and PG zoology preparation. Stay curious, keep learning and see you in the next class. Thank you.